in economics.
The system as a whole,
Yes,
in terms of
but in economics, I think it's very bad.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
Because there's a lot of like difference between people.
I mean, the rich people, the top, yes.
Yeah, like social class.
Like the top 1% own like 70% of the money.
I think that's wrong.
Which one is the best for you, for example?
But like overall,
It's like the overall.
I think it's kind of one of the best.
Really?
Yeah.
It's really close. I disagree.
Oh, I don't know.
But maybe Australia is also a good option, or Canada. For
Oh, okay.
It depends from each sector, each the study.
It might be crazy, but Singapore is a success because
Yep.
40 years ago they were like one of the poorest countries in the world.